Assembling the Arozzi Arena Angelo gaming desk is easy. We suggest that you assemble your desk on a protective surface, and that you use the included one-size gloves when assembling. This guide is divided into 4 parts. Feel free to skip ahead if you're feeling adventurous, or follow along my predefined path to success. Start with step number 1, the frame and the tabletop. Align the 3 tabletop pieces with each other. You now need to orient the center frame piece correctly. These raised points should be located towards the front of the desk. You will find 28 screws in bag A, 14 of which you should use now. These are used to attach the center frame piece to the tabletop pieces. Make sure not to tighten any of the screws yet. The other 14 screws will be used for the rest of the frame pieces. Attach the small frame pieces towards the front of the desk. And then the long frame pieces towards the rear. And don't tighten the screws. Step 2 covers the legs of the Angelo and finishing up the frame. Slide the legs into place and take a look at the holes so they line up. There are 8 screws in bag B that attaches the frame to the legs, and don't tighten these either. In bag C, you'll find 8 screws that attaches the different frame pieces together. Don't tighten the screws just yet. We will finally start tightening the screws. Start with these 4 in this order. Make sure the tabletop pieces are completely flush against each other when doing this. And repeat for the other side. We can then start tightening the 8 screws on the front of the desk. And then the 8 rear ones. Finish off by tightening the remaining 20 screws. In step 3, we attach the aluminum feet. Aluminium? Never mind. The feet have a front and a back side, indicated by a small arrow under the feet. We also added a small pin here, to make sure you can't mess it up. You'll find 8 screws in bag D. Use these to attach the feet to the legs, 4 for each foot. Put them all in first and then tighten them in a crisscross manner. While we are here, I'll take the opportunity to show you that you can adjust the height of the legs by using this screw. They can be adjusted up to 100 mm, that's 10 cm or 0.1 meters. There's also an inch conversion for that, or feet, or yards, or whatever you'd like. In step 4, we attach the net to the underside of the tabletop, using 10 screws provided in bag H. These can be tightened by hand. Put the loops of the net around the screws, and the net is ready to be used. Lastly, we'll attach the headphone hanger. This can be attached to either side of the desk to fit your needs. Use the 2 thumb screws provided in bag G. That's it for the assembly. All you have to do now is flip the desk over to start using it. We recommend you to be 2 people when doing this. Roll out the full surface mousepad, that also happens to be water resistant. If you got uneven flooring, you can rotate the feet to adjust their height. Make sure to lift the desk up before adjusting them. If you need further assistance, you can go to our website and contact us. We're always happy to help. You can also find more assembly videos and maintenance guides for our other products here on our YouTube channel. Now enjoy your new gaming desk.